What is up, YouTube? It is ProHD and I am back again with another reaction video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to SML YTP, The Snowstorm. This is, of course, by Glider, and as you guys know, I absolutely love Glider's videos. He's one of my favorite SML YTP artists. Well, YouTube poopers, I guess, if you want to call them that. They're called many things, but yeah, SML YTP artist is what I like to call them, but yeah, let's just get to the reaction. So 3, 2, 1, play.
Come on, Marvin, we're all going to the beach.
Yes. Just wait a minute. Hey, Jeffy's nuts!
What the hell?
Yeah! I kinda wish I get to see snow for the first time. Junior's you, okay?
Oh my god. Ooh, a snowstorm. What? I don't own this song.
So much. I finally get a day and just sit back, do the crap.
What the hell?
Guy, you want to have a snowball fight? Yes! He feels good. Breaking news. There's a 100% chance of boring. Come on, guys, let's go. Boring. You guys want to get married to a saxophone operator? Yes!
What?
I'm starting to think Junior's not coming.
And Jeffy's dead.
Have you seen Jeffy? I don't know. Where's Jeffy? I kind of wish I get to see snow for the first time. That would really make my Christmas dream come true.
What the?
I kind of wish. Where's Jeffy to it? Where's Jeffy?
He's frozen.
How many tennis balls you think I can fit in my booty hole? 69.
69. I kinda wish.
Oh my god.
Marvin, why are you biting your pee-pee?
What? Oh my god.
Today's weather forecast is a sunny, no cloud day.
Guys, it's a nice day outside. Let's go swimming.
Come on, Marvin, we're all going to the beach.
Showing Eddie the penis right here.
Oh. Okay, I don't know what that ending was, but that got dark real quick. It just went from being like a happy snow day type of video to then Jeffy getting stuck in the snow and having to cut his legs off because he was like his legs were frozen off. Like, oh my god, that was dark. And I got to admit that was a good storyline. And it's kind of funny because I believe it was like 2-3 months ago. I don't remember when it was. Someone let me know down in the comments if you remember. But I think it actually did snow in Florida because I remember Logan actually posted about it. And they did make a video about like a snow day type of video. They didn't get a snowstorm, I don't think, because I don't live in Florida. So I don't know that. But honestly, I would love for it to snow over here where I'm at. I'm here in California. I know there's probably some places where it does snow, like the mountains, but where I'm at specifically, I would love for it to snow. Because honestly, I would love to have like a vlog of me in the snow. That'd be the best type of vlog I'd ever do. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to say for this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and end it off here. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, goodbye.